Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. We are back with a new AI tool, and this time with a magical AI tool. Yes, you heard me right, it's a magical AI tool. All you have to do, just give your image and a single prompt and you get your image into a video. Yes, you get your image into a video just by clicking on it. So let's start with a simple login to this AI. So you can log in with your Facebook account, Twitter account, Discord account. For now, I'm logged in with my Google account. After login, you will see an interface like this. Yes, all the videos and images you can see are templates. You can choose any of them that you like. Under each video, you will find prompt that helps you understanding how to write prompt for the video you are creating. In the top right corner of your screen, there is an upgrade plan option. Clicking on it, it will show you the multiple plans that are available for now. Yearly plan, monthly plan, and ranging from free to premium options. After clicking here, you can check your plan details such as how many credits you have. By clicking on it, your profile option, you can view information about your Pika.Art AI account, including your username, email, and password. So now let's generate some video from image with some cool effects that I told you previously. So let's start. After clicking on the library option, you will see an interface like this. If you click on the option, you can select the aspect ratio of the video you want to create. By clicking on a Pika.Art effect button, you will see many effects such as peel effect, poke effect. Now I'm choosing squeeze effect, and then I have to select an image. So I'm selecting image for now. After clicking the button, it will take a few minutes to generate the video, around 1 minute. And wow! With just a single click, you get your image into the video. Yes, according to your prompt, it converts your image to the video. Wow! Don't you think it's a magical AI? Yes, it's really a magical AI that converts your image into a video. By clicking on the share button, you can also share link to any other platform like Twitter, Facebook, and Discord. Wow! So after creating some creativity, you can share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Wow, really wow. After clicking on the favorite option, the video will be saved in your favorite folder. Yes, they also give us a favorite folder. Nice. Let's change the effect and see what we can create. Again, I am going with on pick effect option. Choose the effect I want and generate it. Now, the same result will come as I choose the effect. Now, let's download it and play it. Wow, you can see what a beautiful effect it gives with just an image and a single prompt. Yes, it's really a magical tool for us. Try this tool for once. So for now, I'm resting my video here. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, please subscribe our channel and like our video. Also, we have a lot of videos on AI like this. For the content writer, for the designers, for the product designer, we have a multiple videos on AI. Thank you for watching.